up guys, iandroidchris here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing my desk setup video for 2019. Now if you're new to the channel or if you haven't noticed, I post desk setup videos almost every single year because of how frequently my desk setup changes, and this year it has changed a lot. So anyways guys, this is my desk setup for 2019. Now everything in this setup was tended to be as simple and convenient to me as possible. I didn't spend much money on a lot of the items I have placed on my desk, but this year I did decide to switch things up and get a Samsung 27-inch curved monitor. With me not being much of a gamer and only using the screen to edit, watch movies, and play PS4, I didn't really need to see the need to get anything high-end or anything expensive. The display is very immersive, and honestly I'm very satisfied with how smooth every animation is on the display. The bezels on the side also give the monitor a really nice modern design. Now, I'm a lazy individual, and sometimes I just want everything to be in one place. So plugged right into the monitor, I have the original PS4 on the left side of my desk. For speaker wise, I decided to go the cheap route and plug in a small monitor soundbar, which I found at Walmart. The sound is pretty decent and it has a cool red LED light on the side knob for a nice design. On the right of my monitor, I have a Dell Inspiron 13-inch, which I use for college and editing, and honestly, it's an alright laptop with the low specs that it has. I'm able to edit videos with just a little bit of lag, and I can blow through college essays. Until I get my hands on a new 13-inch MacBook, this will have to do. The keyboard and mouse I use is a simple MK270 combo. Though it lacks in looks, it's still pretty comfortable, and it stays with the basics of what a mouse and keyboard is mainly used for, without any extra buttons. Now the desk I use is a Linmon tabletop from IKEA with 2 legs on the left side, and the right hand side I have a Alex drawer unit. I've had this desk for a while now, and I plan on getting a whole new desk in the fall of this year. Moving on the right side of my room, I have a very simple desk setup. The idea of this desk was honestly for me to help me focus on editing at hand. Matching the same white color as the previous desk before, this is a smaller Linmon desk on 4 white legs. I have an old, ancient, but handy for editing iMac 21-inch from 2009. It really does help me get things done. Side note, the program I use for editing is Adobe Premiere and a program I just found out recently called Filmora. With the 8 gigs of RAM, it allows me to edit my videos smoothly, though I can have some lag. Anyways guys, thanks for watching my desk setup of 2019. I have a whole bunch of other desk setup videos I want to create, but let me know if you guys want to see those type of videos in the comment section below. Anyways guys, I'm iandroidchris, and I'll be back with another video.